we are currently looking at solving a problem which was encountered since the last YouTube film. The problem which we have been faced with was that the so-called Prüfen, this test knob, wasn't functioning. And actually the function is, looking at on the schematics, in the test function the system is being changed from transmitting receiver, is being interconnected by means of selectors in an oscillator circuitry. And you will see here is a circuitry series resonance provision which should let oscillate the system by bringing the balance out of this so-called fork or hybrid system out of balance, and there is a closed loop. Everything which I could measure was so far working, but the problem faced was that everything was in order and it wasn't functioning. It had functions in the previous tests. And then I, after measuring and considering all possibilities which we are able to check, I first replaced valve 3, the transmitter, then valve 2, the low frequency driving amplifier, and finally I changed this valve 1. And looking at the test meter, and after changing the P2000, I saw already that the current increased quite a lot, maybe 30%, and that means amplification, because when you have oscillation, the loop amplification is considered being 1, because when something is oscillating, it is limiting also itself. So the loop, the circular loop amplification should be 1, and that wasn't. And it is now working. Can you please push the button there, because I will also focus my attention on the push button as well as on the sound and the buzzer on the right hand side. Please push the test button and you will hear a buzzing sound, and the buzzing sound originates from a buzzer which is to be found within here. This is the buzzer, and the problem is that the buzzer is fundamental but is nowhere drawn on this schematic. Thank you.